Right now, there is a hot topic in European football. Like Real Madrid have sacked their head coach Xavi Alonso, but some of them from Madrid board said that Xavi resigned himself, and it is published from some Spanish newspaper, though it is not true. While some of them said that there is a verbal agreement in between the club and the Xavi Alonso. Besides, Xavi told the Madrid board that if the club stay with their players, it is very tricky for a manager to control their dressing room because the club have given full freedom to their players. However, Alvaro Alberola has been appointed as a new head coach uh, for Real Madrid, who had been a head coach for Real Madrid Castilla team for 4 years. So he has deep knowledge about Real Madrid DNA. So good luck Alvaro Alberola for his bright future in Real Madrid.